Hello everyone, this is Lohithaksh.
This is Sree Ganesh.
Today we are going to explain about
The basic functionalities of Lambda test.
topics to be covered are
What is cross-browser compatibility?
why do you need cross-browser testing?
Using Lambda test for cross-browser testing.
So let us start. So first, let us start with what is cross-browser compatibility. Cross-browser compatibility is the ability of website or web application to function across different browsers and operating systems. For example, as you know, there are many versions of operating system. One is downloaded by Windows, one is Apple Mac OS, one is Linux Mint, one is Ubuntu. There are many operating systems, and in the same way, there are many web browsers like Google Chrome, then Firefox, and even Microsoft Edge and Blue Safari, and many more like this. So on different version, or on different version of OS and on different version of our web browser, our user interface is different. So how a website or web application really looks. So to know, and is it compatible, our web application, is it compatible with these sites, like whatever the technology we are using? So that is basically cross-browser compatibility. Then coming to the question, is it really compatible? Let us check it. So first, for this, we need to perform cross-browser testing. So why cross-browser testing? So whenever we see, or whenever we develop a website, basically we develop the front-end part with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the back-end with something like root node, or maybe Python, or maybe MongoDB, PHP, let it be anything. So you can develop in your own web application any form. But when you're computing it, like when your web application is being viewed, you basically view any web application through any browser, right? So whenever you view it with any browser, how it actually computes. So each browser has a different way, a unique way of computation. So Chrome basically uses Blink for computation, Firefox uses Gecko, and Microsoft Edge uses Edge HTML or Chakra to compute this. So whenever you compute it, like every browser is using different method of computation, it might be different, like how the UI is being displayed to us. That is the thing. Then for this, like, is it our web pages compatible with these all versions, like with all web browsers with all operating systems? To check these, we need cross browser testing. Then how to do cross browser testing? So to perform live interactive testing on all browsers, browser versions, and operating system along all with all major mobile devices. Yes, so basically, they are the major let us just take the major operating systems over here. That is Windows, then Android, Mac OS, and then let's take the important web browsers here: Google Chrome, Opera Mini, Blue Safari, Microsoft. So each browser has at least 10 versions, and even each operating systems also has many versions, as you'll know. So let us, with Windows, there's Vista, XP, 7, 10. Even now there are people using XP. Even now they're using people using 7, and even there are people using different versions of web browsers, and even in each web browser there are many versions. So approximately, just considering these things, these 5 versions and this 5 operating systems itself, we got more than 2000 plus different browser environment. So, like, there are many possibilities of environment a user may choose to open a web application. So we need to test in all the environments, like with whether our application is working or not. So like the manual way for this is just by every having all operating systems, checking all environments, by having almost 2000 plus computers and doing it. But practically it takes a lot of time and it is not that efficient. So the simplest and the best method is Lambda test. So Lambda test is a cloud-based computing method where we can check our website compatibility in all the platforms. I've collected all the information of all web browsers and all operating systems. So let us have a look at Lambda test. So just go to Google and just type Lambda test. You'll be getting the website directly over there. Yeah, www.lambdatest.com. So basically, it asks for your sign in. You can just fill up the basic details for logging in. I already have an account, so I'll log in with my credentials. Yeah. So first thing in this Lambda test is real-time testing. There are different things here. You can do real-time testing, visual UI, automation test, everything. So one by one will be explained in detail in this video. So first, let us look at real-time testing. So real-time testing is really interesting. So let us take any URL which we like to test. Suppose, let me take that maybe YouTube is developed by me. Let us take an example that maybe YouTube, like if any website that you develop, let us take an example, maybe I've developed YouTube. So I place the URL of my website, then I'll just press start. So just after placing this, I can choose any brand wherever I want to test. I want to test it on my desktop, let us think, on Windows 10 version, and on Google Chrome. I can choose anything. There are many versions of Google Chrome. Let me choose the 79 version of Google Chrome on Windows 10 with this resolution. You can choose any resolution because your PC size may not be fixed. So for that, you can use resolution also. So let me check how it works. It takes a bit time. We need to wait for it. Yeah, to set up the whole environment. Yeah, wow, fantastic. It was a bit quick. Then here you can see this. I'm viewing it on a real time on a Windows 10 platform, Google Chrome, YouTube website. It's a real time thing. So this is my specifications here. And suppose while you're testing, you have an option as mark as bug. If suppose I feel that maybe this YouTube icon shouldn't be like this, maybe there's some mistake in this. If I feel in my, I can mark it as bug. So that is interesting, right? Like whenever you're viewing on different website, if you mark it as a bug, it's very good. You can share it on different platforms too. Wow, it is really amazing. They have given a good thing, and even you can save it. And then even, yeah, here you can watch a video really how it is working the whole website. Yeah, like how it works. You can even record a video like how a website is working, and you can just check it out, and you can make sure, you can document it. You can even take screenshots, and you can change the resolutions, everything, and you can check your website. Yeah. So that is more about this thing. I just stopped this video. Yeah. So that is more of real-time testing. You can perform in various platforms in this. You can even check it on your phone, or you can even check it on your any tablet form, or almost every like free version consists of few versions. If it's a paid version, you will get more of options. So you can check it on mobile phones in Android version or in Mac version, or yeah, and even it provides a history where it shows you like what all you have tested. So that's the thing. It is a really great platform to do these all things. So next, my friend Ganesh will continue.
Yeah, so now I'm gonna tell about visual UI testing. So in visual UI testing, there are various types of testing we can perform, like screenshot testing, responsive, LT browser, and smart testing. So in screenshot testing, there will be a URL for a text area for URL. We need to type the URL here, and we need to check whether what in what operating system we need to take a screenshot. So basically this deals about comparison between the different screenshot in different operating systems and different browsers. So I have took a URL here. Your website name is softwaretestingmaterial.com. So uh, I have took different versions from Windows 10. I have took 73 in Mozilla Firefox in Opera Mini, and I took a Windows 8.1 version, Windows 8 version, Windows 7 version, Windows XP in 46 version, and internet also I have took. So this is the platform where we can check whether we need to we want a desktop or mobile device. So I have selected 8 options from desktop, and also we can check the screenshot in iOS also, iPhone 8. I'll take iPhone 8 and iPhone 6 from iOS 8.1 version. So totally I have chose 10 options from 25 browsers. So maximum limit is 25 here. So at one instance we can take 25 number of screenshots at a time at one instance. So we can take 25 browsers. So I chose 10 options from Windows and iOS. So if I enter capture here, so look here, we will get so this is the model I have took, a desktop and 2 mobiles and or tablets. So this will display us about different types of screenshot. So it is loading, let it load. After that it will display a screenshot here, screenshot of so we have took a screenshot here. So after entering this, we can see here the different types of options to issue the bug. This is the thing I want to. Sorry. So this is the thing I want to mark as a bug. So I'll mark this, and I'll write a text here like this button is not working, and I'll put an arrow mark here like this. So I have I will enter mark as bug here. So we can post this in many platforms like Asana, GitHub, Jira, and Trello. So this Lambda test contains a built-in Lambda test tool to issue that. So I have issued issue type is bug. I have the priority is highest. The summary, the button is not working, and description anything if you want. So I'll create an issue. So now the issue will be created. See here, bug marked successfully. So if we want to save, I can save here. So this is the different types of screenshot available in different operating systems. So we can take anything, we can select anything, and we can mark it as bug. So this is all about screenshot testing. So after that we go into responsive testing. So in responsive testing we can look at how the URL looks in different mobile phones. Let's say I'll give youtube.com in the URL. So I'll check it in Galaxy Note 9 phone. So how it looks, I'll generate. Basically this test bug will be added to the queue in a test log. Later we'll see about the test logs also. So in https youtube.com, so in this is a thing like it looks like. So this is the thing. So we can check the view report, the pixel size of this one. So we can now play this videos on different mobile platforms, and like on OnePlus 60 how it looks like, and in iPhone XS Max we can check everything in this. So LT browser testing. So coming to LT browser testing, this is all about testing in a separate browser. So we need to download a separate browser for this to begin. So after that we'll come to smart testing. In smart testing, this is basically about comparison of two images. So if we compare this, if we add a baseline image and compare it with another image, so it will give an output of what are the pixel size of the image and everything. So it will display that. So coming to automation testing. Now automation is everything about the something like this is something like a timeline, like we can learn this everything in a separate module. So this is the documentation of what the information it is with Java. We can do it with Ruby, we can do it with PHP, C++, and CI/CD. Everything is available here. So now coming to test logs. So if you want to log into any test, so we can do it. See, like this is all about what did we do till now. So I have took a screenshot. My name is Sree Ganesh. Issue date is 7 issue date is August 7th. Start time is 7 8 p.m. and end time, everything that is involved here is displayed in this. So this is all about test log. So coming to issue tracker. So issue tracker basically tells about the issue that we have tracked. So issue that we have marked as a bug in the software. So this is I have issued a bug here. The button is not working, everything and all. I have logged the issue. There will be date and time of the issue I have logged, and the start time and the end time. So this is all about issue tracker. Coming to integration testing, so it supports a Bing tracking tool like plugins and extensions. So we can add this plugins and extensions to our Chrome. We can easily elaborate everything. We can log into our Lambda test. So this is all about everything: the issue tracker, test logs, automation, and visual UI testing. So this is when we come to dashboard, it will display how many tests we have did every day. So August 4th I have did the 2 tests, and today I have did 2 tests. Total number of tests are 5 tests. So concurrent sessions, integrations, what it did I do. So every status will be visible here. So this is all about the dashboard, real-time testing. So this is the basic functionalities of Lambda test. So hereby I am closing the session,
Hope you have gained knowledge after watching this video.
and thank you for watching the video.